I'm sorry, BMX fans. I have to do it. EK here. It's got this 3-piece crank. That is the same size as the one on the Walmart bike. I like this one much better. It's a lot lighter. But I like that 3-piece crank even though it weighs like 10 pounds. So I'm going to do some switcheroo, and I think hopefully it's a good choice. I believe I've ever had this thing apart before. So yeah. Cheater pipe or something. I know them are going to be on there. Well, we might not be doing this. Woo! Huh. That just made my ears ring. Oh, shit. Man, you see what I'm going through. Victory, baby. I ain't never had this off, so I don't even know what it looked like inside there. A little dirty. 3-piece crank. Now, so we get the bearings and everything out of it. These guys stay stupid around here. I don't understand. Oops, am I going the wrong way? Nope. Sweet is not going to be as hard as I thought it was going to be. I was hoping everything matches up. Like this DK, the reason why I'm doing it because it is ridiculously heavy. Like I hate it. Like it's just, I don't even know. And I'm gonna put a small sprocket on it too. I might actually tear the black bike apart, steal the sprocket off of that since it's black. I don't know, but check it out, baby. We are there. We are in. Yeah, it's the same. It's exactly the same. Good deal. Good deal. Ew. Okay. Now I'll have to take this off right here so I can get this sprocket off. I don't know if you're going to get too much of this one, but we can try. I think this is reverse thread. Oh, that wasn't even on there that tight. Okay. Jesus, look at all them washers. And then, now we can take the other bike apart. Freaking sweet. You get ready to get mad yet? Somebody who loves BMX bikes might like my ideas, or they're screaming at the TV right now. Remember me doing this once before? I broke a wrench. know what the hell that was. I just put new bearings in this thing too. Get her up here. Get her a good jolt. This bike is about to be brand and new very soon. All the crap that I've done to it. I like the blue. Does that make me weirdo? Anyway, it's the same thing. I'm going to clean up all these old parts right here and get some fresh grease out, and I'll bring you guys back. Guys, I got pieces every fucking where. Anyways, I got all this off. Just trying to clean it up a little bit. We're going to stick it back in the bike. This is the gear off of that one, and I'm putting it onto the DK. Look how much smaller that is compared to that one. Yes, sir. I'm trying to clean everything up as long as I go. Can't do no half-ass job, right? I mean, that's not it. I got attention to detail really bad. I mean, you guys seen me fight to put them damn blue tires on this stupid bike. And now I'm stealing parts off my DK. I'm kind of over the DK. Couldn't really find no rags. But you know, when you do laundry and you only have one sock, you know, when you don't have the other one, well, that usually becomes a rag. Anything's a rag, actually. This baby back on here should be flush. I don't know if that's right. I think we're going to be okay, though. I think we're going to be okay. I gotta go find some fresh grease. Just washing my balls. Try to get all that gravel and everything off the bearings. Just washing up some regular gas, you know. I'm gonna clean them both and put new grease, because when you take them out, they just caked with usually gravel or sand or something. You don't want that in your bearings. Your balls will not be very happy. Man, I don't like getting sand in my balls. Some people are weird out there in the road, you know. I don't know nothing about it. Yeah, it's fucking ton of damn sand came out of those. So that was a good idea. I'm running out of places to put things. I got a mess over here. Alright, now we gotta do these. Those are pretty nasty too. Just washing parts. What are you guys doing today? I hope this works. I've been debating on whether to do this for quite some time. And no, today something just struck me. I'll get out there and just go do it. I'm missing a ball. That one's missing a ball. That's gonna be an issue. I don't know if I have any more. Huh. Ain't that something? Okay. Cut to where we put it together. Good news is I found the missing ball and I was able to replace it. But like, look at all the shit that's. This pan was clean. That's all the dirt that came out them bearings. See all the sparklies too? I don't know if you see them. Sparkly. Just what you want to see, right? I thought so. Damn cat. My favorite part, packing bearings. You gotta get in there. There is no other way to do it. Get her in there. Your balls will thank you later. Stay. It's been a long time since I put a 3-piece on a bike. I was trying to find a different one because I used to have one that was aluminum. Like, I think I sold that bike like years ago. I can't find it no more, so guessing I sold it. I don't know. I would really like to have an aluminum one. But beggars can't be choosers, I guess. Yeah, this is an awesome thing. I just made some serious mud. You know about getting dirty. Is that cancer sinking into my skin? Is it? Oh no. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on here too. Where she rides. I don't want this one to be messing up. Shit, right in the dirt. Perfect. But it's going to work. I'm glad I swept out here. Missy's damn cat hairs all over everything. I don't know where she's at. She was just over here. This is going to be a pain in my ass, isn't it? Anyways, let me get that on. Can't never get away from them guys. All hell's breaking loose over here, as you tell. See this guy. He's flying around circles. What's going on? Somebody going to jail? Fucking guys. Bunch of turkeys, man. Well, we're almost there. Now, if we can ride it without the pedals squeaking, that's another story. That's usually what happens when you take these things apart. These kids just had a big ass fight over here at the school. I heard them all cheering each other on. Dumbass kids. I miss being in school. Hey, there is a 3-piece crank on the blue bike now. actually not that heavy. How close to the ground? Ooh, we're close. I love it. That's what I wanted. Now I gotta put this one back together with the old parts. I don't care about this one so much. I must say, that turned out pretty badass. I like it. But, okay, I think the bearings might be just a hair bit different, or maybe the races. So, I'm not putting those back in the damn DK. I'm keeping that on the blue bike. So, I'm going to tear it apart once again, tear the other one apart once again, and hopefully we have a 3-piece crank on the blue bike. That would be badass, won't it? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Stick around for the next one. Peace, guys. Love y'all.